Hi, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to talk about managing costs inventory through POs and RFQs. So let's get started. I recommend that you go to our documentation and go to our training courses and open the end-to-end purchase process walkthrough. So go through this course I recommend that's the first step. So then we all starts by setting vendors. So we can go into our main production planning, go to vendors list, and then you can create a new vendors list. You can give it any name. So So you can add your vendors here. If you want to import from Excel, you can do that using the create button. So you can create a new vendors list, import vendors list, and here you can select an Excel file with that contents. So if we open an example, it's vendor list sample will be looking something like this. So similar format to import Excel data. So notice that which row you have the column name. So in this example is row number 9. And then any other properties there are, any sort of information you want to add. So I'm going to import this vendors list, and again, the row where the headers are in my example is 9. Yours can be given at row 1. That's very common too. So you can import it, and then you have your first vendors list just created, and you can add more items. You can configure more properties to manage. So in a very simple way. So this is the first step. The next will be assigning the vendors list to your catalog. So in the hardware catalog, there is no selection of vendors yet. So notice that you don't have a vendors property here. So once you click on set vendors and select a list of vendors, notice how the vendor property will show up. It should be a public property, and it should be a pick list, just listing your vendors. You can give it a try and confirm that it is properly working. So that's just a quick example how to set up vendors lists and setting up your vendors in your catalogs. Okay, thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.